In an era where health-conscious choices are at the forefront, the surge in popularity of smoothies has become a testament to our collective pursuit of well-being. This essay aims to delve deeper into the enticing realm of balanced and nutritious smoothie recipes, unraveling the myriad benefits they offer and how they can seamlessly integrate into a wholesome and health-focused lifestyle. The rise of nutrient-rich smoothies. The journey begins by exploring the societal shifts that have contributed to the meteoric rise of smoothies. As individuals grapple with hectic schedules and an increasing awareness of the role nutrition plays in overall health, the accessibility and convenience of smoothies have positioned them as a sought-after solution for meeting daily dietary requirements. Building the perfect smoothie. Transitioning into the core of our exploration, this section dissects the fundamental elements of a balanced and nutritious smoothie. Emphasizing the amalgamation of a diverse array of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats, we unravel the science behind creating a concoction that not only tantalizes the taste buds but also offers a comprehensive spectrum of essential nutrients. Tailoring smoothies to personal goals. The versatility of smoothies is a paramount aspect that deserves attention. Customization becomes the focal point, illustrating how individuals can tailor their smoothie recipes to align with personal health and fitness objectives. Whether the goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or simply a daily energy boost, we navigate the labyrinth of ingredients to meet diverse aspirations. The role of superfoods. Amidst the kaleidoscope of ingredients, superfoods emerge as nutritional powerhouses that can elevate the health quotient of any smoothie. This segment delves into the benefits of incorporating nutrient-dense superfoods like chia seeds, kale, and acai berries into smoothies, amplifying not only their flavor but also their health-promoting properties. Avoiding common pitfalls. While smoothies offer a plethora of benefits, pitfalls abound. This part of the essay acts as a guide, steering readers away from common pitfalls such as excessive sugar content, lack of variety, and over-reliance on specific ingredients. It provides practical insights on how to craft a smoothie that is not only delicious but also nutritionally balanced. The art of presentation. Beyond the nutritional discourse, the essay delves into the aesthetic dimension of smoothie creation. The art of presentation is explored, unraveling how colors, textures, and garnishes can transform a mere beverage into a sensory delight. By paying attention to these details, individuals can enhance not only the nutritional value but also the overall experience of consuming a smoothie. In the denouement of our exploration, the overarching theme is underscored: crafting balanced and nutritious smoothies is an intricate dance of both art and science. The guide presented herein serves not only as a compendium of delightful recipes but also as a roadmap to a healthier and more mindful lifestyle. By understanding the principles of nutrition, personalizing ingredients to meet individual goals, and embracing the aesthetic allure of smoothie creation, individuals can elevate their daily rituals to embody wellness in its most delectable form. Smoothies, once mere beverages, transform into a medium through which we nurture both our bodies and our senses, fostering a holistic approach to health and happiness.